Hello, dear technology enthusiasts. Today we're going to take a closer look at the newly released Asus ZenBook Duo 2024 model, which houses many innovative features. This device stands out with its dual OLED screens, powerful Intel Core Ultra processor, and high-speed memory. Additionally, it boasts the Intel Evo certification, Harman Kardon modified sound system, and long battery life. But does the Asus ZenBook Duo really deliver the performance and productivity it promises? Continue watching our video to find the answer to this question. Remember, if you like our video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content. Now let's dive into the details of the Asus ZenBook Duo. First off, one of the most striking features of this device is its dual OLED screens. The device features two 14-inch touch OLED screens, each with a resolution of 3K, 2880 x 1800 pixels, and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Both screens offer exceptional color accuracy and visual experience. Especially when watching HDR-compatible content or editing photos and videos, you'll notice the difference these screens make. For the processor, the Asus ZenBook Duo uses the Intel Core Ultra 9 185 cores from Intel's latest Core Ultra series. This processor offers significant improvements in both performance and energy efficiency compared to previous generations. Moreover, the device's graphics performance is quite impressive. It comes with Intel's most current integrated graphics unit, Intel Arc Graphics, and provides an experience that is better than ever in gaming and graphic-intensive applications. As for memory and storage, the Asus ZenBook Duo is equipped to meet users' expectations. Thanks to its high-speed SSD and the fastest RAM hardware I've seen in a laptop so far, the system offers a smooth usage experience without any bottlenecks. The options are as follows: 16 GB or 32 GB LPDDR5X RAM. The storage capacity is 512 GB, 1 TB, or 2 TB M2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD. Security features have not been overlooked either. The device helps protect your personal data with an FHD resolution camera supported by an infrared sensor and Windows Hello facial recognition feature. Among the connectivity ports are USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1 TMDS, and 3.5mm combo audio jack. The keyboard and touchpad are designed to provide users with a comfortable typing experience. The sound quality is also quite satisfactory with the Harman Kardon modified sound system. It offers a good sound experience for a thin-bodied Windows laptop. For network and communication features, it offers Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. Lastly, the battery life. The Asus ZenBook Duo promises an uninterrupted experience with its long battery life. An interesting point to note is that battery life may vary depending on your usage. However, generally speaking, the battery life of this device is at a good level. The battery capacity is 75 WERs, and the weight of the device is approximately 1.65 kg. Yes, dear technology friends, that's all for the details of the Asus ZenBook Duo 2024 model. If you want to learn more about this device or share your thoughts, please use the comments section. If you liked our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.